Hello guys, my name is Victory and today I'm going to teach you on how you can make use of your crop tool, your frame tool and your eyedropper tool. Okay, let's get started. For the crop tool, basically what you use it for, you can use it to adjust your frame size of your job, like your work frame. See what I just did? And just all you need to do is right click on the edge and reduce it down to the size you want it, whatever size you are taking it to. If you are changing the size, the orientation you want it to be landscape, you take it down, then just that's how it works. That's for the crop tool. Then you press OK, which is your enter button, or good. Yeah, that's for the crop tool. And for the frame tool, this is what it does, is to create more like an empty frame. Okay, let me do something practical. I've created a frame now, you see it's empty. So let me bring a picture from Google, just copy, Ctrl V. Automatically the picture goes inside the frame. You see what I have now. So you can move it together. If you are to adjust the picture inside the frame, move down to the layer and click on the picture. You can reduce it, you can increase it. So basically that's what it's for. You can as well increase the stroke. What I mean by stroke, your outline, for those that are used to CorelDRAW. And that's it. That's for this tool. Then for your eyedropper tool, it's used to pick colors from objects or image. Okay, let's say I'm to use a color guide to do a job. Okay, let's say this is what I'm using, and I just want to, there are some specific colors that I need to collect from this image. All I need to do is to click on here and make use of the eyedropper tool, or I can as well click on the eyedropper tool, which the shortcut is I just click it. Automatically the color moves down here. You can select any color, So basically that's the work of the eyedropper tool, to hand pick colors from objects and images. Guys, if this video was of help to you, please like, share and comment. Thank you once again.